Trying to clamp a piece of stock like this on this table to plane it without having bench dogs or bench holes can be really tough. I'm Jim Heavey from Wood Magazine, and here's a tip on making that really easy. Actually, all we need are a couple of pieces of 1/2-inch plywood and a couple more pieces that I've put a couple of hinges on the back side. I'll start with the hinge mortising, and we'll do that at the table saw. Then I'll show you how this works. So the first part of creating these blocks is to rabbet the back side so that this hinge will fit flush. So what I've done is I've set my table saw blade to the thickness of that leaf. And I've also set the distance from the fence to the outside edge of that blade about halfway from the barrel over to the end. And I'm going to take 2 pieces and I'll rabbet those out and give myself a little bit of a spot to put that hinge. So these hinges are now rabbeted out on the end. There's room for the barrel and they will lie nice and flat. Now it's back to the workbench and put the screws in. Now that these pieces have been mortised, here's how this works. So I'll take one piece of stock first. This is a stop block. And I'm just going to attach it to one end of the bench. I'm going to take my hinged piece and put it next to this. And I'm going to take a 1x1 block and set it underneath that hinge. And then butt the piece up there that I'm planning on clamping. And the far edge, put another stop block. And again, this one gets clamped into place. And this is simplistic, but it works like a champ. Now I'm just going to slide the 1x1 block out and press it down till it locks. That piece is exceptionally secure. And now it allows me to plane without any trouble at all. This is a great little idea. It solves the problem of not having bench holes or bench dogs and clamps something securely. You'll love it.